Module 7. Tips to increase the performance of your web push advertising campaigns. Use emoji. Statistically, this helps to increase the CTR to 25–35%. Test various symbols in icons. In terms of the mechanics how a user perceives the information, web push ads are the same with other advertising formats. You need to get the attention of a user, so visuals like the exclamation sign in this example may help you to increase the CTR of the ad. Experiment with colors for the main image by using the color of the web push ad on the Windows desktop, like in this example. You can make your ad stick out. Use colors to get noticed. Update your creatives each 5–7 days. This is one of the most effective tips, because users get used to the same creatives and lose interest. Web push advertising is very sensitive to how often creatives are updated. If you need a hand with new creatives, let your account manager know. We can help to produce a new set of images for you on a weekly basis.